Welcome back, guys and girls, to another episode with me, Luke, where we talk about all things crypto. In today's episode, we're going to dive right into the technical analysis of Bitcoin in a moment. We will look at some bullish and bearish news in Bitcoin's TA. But without further ado, let's get started into the news of today with Sam Bankman and his trial of the year. And Sam Bankman took more than 10 billion from FTX customers, prosecutors say at his trial. And his trial began on Wednesday, and the opening remarks were made in the New York federal courtroom on Wednesday. Over the time of the session, lawyers for both sides put forward their opening arguments for what is one of the biggest financial fraud cases ever. More than a year ago, when FTX collapsed and people lost a heck of a lot of money. The article goes on to say that things got overlooked, and also Caroline Ellison is a big key witness in this trial. So continue to watch, keep up to date with this, to see what happens over the next coming days and weeks. And again, like in yesterday's episode, be careful keeping your money in exchanges. If you don't have a cold storage wallet yet, maybe it's best to try and buy one, get one. It's just my opinion, of course. None of this is financial advice. If you don't have one and you have your crypto on an exchange, maybe diversify on multiple exchanges just in case something like this happens again. You don't want to get wrecked. And many people last year got wrecked. So diving into the technical analysis of Bitcoin, there was one crypto YouTuber, he brought this out, this bull flag. I thought it was really interesting. It's on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, this is a huge bull flag. So where would the price target take us? Well, if you just bear with me 1 second, the price target for this, if it breaks out to the upside, so remember this is the weekly time frame, so this is long term, this would take us to approximately 43,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. So we go straight past the 40k mark if this bull flag plays out, which is very, very interesting to keep an eye on. So that's long term. Going back to yesterday's episode on the 1 hourly time frame, just fit this to scale, there we go. I mentioned the fact that we could see a W pattern forming, which happened. It didn't come right down to the 27,200, it came down to the 27,300, but the W pattern formed, like I said in yesterday's episode, and we came all the way up to $27,900. Which would have been, if you got that, that would have been a nice 1.71%. So on leverage, if you're using 10x, you could have made a nice 10% there. So just some bearish news. I noticed in one of the comments, if we just go back out to the daily, let me just get rid of these trend lines for the bull flag. The problem that we could have is it the daily or the weekly? Let's go back. Yes, it's the weekly, sorry. Is this, we could be forming a potential head and shoulders pattern here. So that is exactly what I'm seeing. So we have the head here, we have the shoulder, the left shoulder here, and the right shoulder looks like it could be forming. So just something to keep a lookout for if you're going to short the market. So that would, if we measure that from here to there, from the top of the head to the neckline, and if we do break, that would take us all the way down to $21,000. So that's just some bearish news to look out for. I try to be objective on this channel. I'm not just going to be bullish all the time and give you hopium, but I do like to look at the technicals for both sides, bullish and bearish. So just something to keep an eye on. The weekly time frame for both really, the bullish flag and also this potential head and shoulders pattern forming. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Just a short one today. I will have a video ready, hopefully tomorrow or over the weekend, to start diving into NFTs, metaverse, and crypto gaming assets. So thank you for watching. Please smash up the like, leave any comments below, and I will see you all next week. Thank you, guys.